I will not speak so much during this demonstration, but once you download your template, you want to open the folder and navigate to the PDF file. I'll open this in Adobe Photoshop since you will have to convert your book cover image to PDF. Okay, so there you have it. You might need to increase and decrease as needed so that you can see what you're doing. Let's go ahead and open a cover image. I already have one open, so we'll just move it here. Hit Control-T to resize it. All of the peach area should be covered. And of course you will take your time to do this. I'm just doing it as quickly as I can here. Let's go ahead and create the spine text for the spine column. Click the rectangle tool. Click Control-T to resize it. And you will take more time to make sure all of the peach area is covered. Let's create some spine text. So once you click your text tool, make sure that the horizontal text tool is chosen. You want to choose a color that will show up against that dark background. I'm going to type your name in the title of the book. Space it down. You want to make sure that the text is a size that will fit on that spine. I think we can do 10. All right, here's what we do to get it turned upside down. With the text selected, click Control-T. Here in the rotation box, put 90 and click Enter. Choose your Move tool and move it on over to the spine and make sure that it is positioned and centered the way that you would like. That looks pretty good. Let's do text for your cover. And make sure that it will fit. And let's use text for your name. We'll use Helvetica just to keep it simple. Can make that a little smaller to make sure that it fits. Well, that looks very stern. Let's try a script font and just center it and line it up. Let's say you want one of those cute little transparent boxes that everyone seems to use. Make sure that your rectangle tool is chosen. Control T to resize it. Lighten the opacity, let's move it down. Now you'll have to darken your title text, make it a darker color. You might say, well, I can't see it under that box. Well, we'll have to move it like that. For your back cover, you can either use the same image, or if you like, you can take the color that's in this image and just make a solid background. Here's what I mean. Choose your eyedrop tool, hold down the Alt key, click this color, all right, and then click the rectangle tool and just draw that back panel. You can see that you'll need to leave space for this barcode. Now you can type in your back matter text. Again, if it doesn't show, make sure that you move that text above the image. Always click New Layer. Whatever you want to type, but make sure that you're clicking Enter at the end of the line so that it aligns properly. Okay, so you'll continue to type. You can also include information about you, about the author. If you want, you can also include your publishing company, the name of your publishing company. You can include a symbol. Just hit your Custom Shape tool. Click Shapes. I have a lot downloaded. Just choose one here. Draw it out. You can move that around. You can leave it that color, or if you double click it, you can change the color. Let's go ahead and change it. Let's make sure we're not covering that barcode space. Yes, we are not covering the barcode space. But we need to move this element. Need to align the cornerstone publishing so that it does not fall outside of that peach border. You can also include the price, which is something you cannot do if you're using a cover generator, such as through CreateSpace. Let's turn it back on so that you can see how that'll look. One more final touch. You can also add, if you would like, the initials of your publishing company here on the spine, as so many book covers do. So there you have it, a quick book cover that you can do yourself. And of course, you can use your own creativity, imagination to create the cover that looks good for your writing. Thank you so much for viewing. Happy publishing.